The hem tool, as the name would indicate, is used to fold over an edge of a sheet metal part. Let's take a look at some of the options available with this feature. To add a hem, I click on the Hem button from the sheet metal toolbar. The first thing I need to do is select the edge I wish to fold over. Now, these two buttons control whether the bend is added to the inside or outside of the existing edge. You can also click the reverse direction button to fold the hem to the opposite side. If you don't want the hem to extend the entire length of the edge, you can click on the Edit Hem Length button. When I do, a message window appears, telling me if the sketch is valid. Now I can edit this sketch line to control the length of the hem. And I can also add dimensions or relations to further define the sketch. When finished editing the sketch, I can click either the Back or Finish button. The Back button will save the changes and return to the Property Manager, while the Finish button will complete the hem feature. I'll click the Back button. The next section is where you can adjust the type and size of your hem. First, you must choose from the 4 different shape options. Notice as I click on each of the 4 types, the parameters underneath the button change to reflect my selection. In this example, I'll choose the teardrop shape and specify an angle and radius. I click OK, and the hem is complete. It's possible to create a hem on more than one edge. Hems can be added to multiple sides of a sheet metal part and even nonlinear edges, all in the same hem feature. If you choose a combination of linear and nonlinear edges, one thing you must keep in mind is that the nonlinear edge must be tangent to the linear edge for it to work in the same feature.